For security reasons, you want to always make sure that your ports are secure. With this command, you are going to see all the port connections you've got on your server. Here, T stands for TCP, U for UDP, L for listening, and N for numeric. Let me show you what numeric means here. With numeric, you can see the actual port numbers. Without numeric, as you can see, some of these things are not translated. To know what ports are open, just look at under local, address, and port. One of the most important connections to check here is SSH, which is for secure shell. We also have a couple of HTTP here. For a web server, you are going to find HTTPS, which is port 443. For database server, you are going to find port 3306. This is important for security reasons. Any open port could be an entry point for hackers, so always make sure that your ports are all protected. If you want, you can also find what processes is using what port. As you can see, we have letter P here. Let's hit enter. Look at that. So when you add P, it shows you the process ID and program name. Another similar command that you could use is Netstat. Let's hit enter. As you can see, the concept is the same. The only issue is that Netstat is slower than what we used earlier, SS. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel, to like and to share? Thank you.